This is Sophia versus Sam in a burger competition. You have to wait. Ready, Sam? You can go first. One more time. Go on, can you get another one? Oh, it's stuck in me. Wait, I can do more. Just make me laugh and I'll do it. Okay, wait. Me. Do another one. Your lips trembled. I'm choking to death. Wait, I've got another one.
No, that's not me. I'm going to throw up otherwise.
I can't do it without laughing. Peace out. That was